Hey guys, Jer here. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make money with stickers. I'm gonna be showing you a step-by-step process on how to create stickers using an AI, and then I'm gonna be showing you guys a platform where to sell the stickers and generate passive income without you having to lift your finger. Right now, I'm not gonna waste all of your time, so let's dive right into our video. So as you can see, guys, the software that I'm using to create stickers is Chat Gorilla, but you can use any. I'm just gonna be showing you the process on how I generate stickers using an AI, but you can use any kind of AI tool. Other tool that you can use is the Bing Chat or the Microsoft Edge Bing Chat here. So you're gonna need to download the Microsoft Edge browser so you guys can use this to generate stickers for free. Okay, so this is the example of stickers that I generated a while ago. So this is an amigurumi sticker style, but there are multiple sticker styles that you can generate or that you can create using an AI. Now, before we create stickers, guys, let me show you first an example of other people that are doing the same thing and they are really successful in creating and selling stickers. Okay, so let me go to this platform here, which is Etsy. So this is a good example here, guys. Now this person is selling 20 plus stickers about this chibi style dog stickers here. And if we guys take a look at the reviews here, now this person is making money because he got sales. For example, this one is a purchase item, this is a purchase item, another purchase item, another purchase item. And the best part, guys, you never have to spend money on advertising because Etsy will do the selling for you. All you have to do, guys, is to list your stickers and be consistent with your listing and wait for the sales to comes in on autopilot. This is really powerful. Okay, now you can easily create this stickers using an AI. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do this. Okay, so let's go back in the Bing chat here. So if you don't have a Microsoft Edge yet installed in your browser, you can go to, you can just basically search that on Google. So just go to Google and then search on, Microsoft Edge download, and then you just need to download that into your computer. Okay, I'm not gonna show you how to download this, but just simply download this. But again, you can use any kind of AI tool. The one that I'm using is this Chat Gorilla. You can use Chat GPT if you have a Plus account, or you can use Midjourney or any other AI tools out there. But if you don't have the money to invest yet, then you can just use this free one, which is this Microsoft Edge browser. And then there is a chat here, which is this Bing chat or Copilot here, so you can interact the chatbot here and then ask to generate stickers. So this is the example that I generated a while ago. So again, this is a amigurumi sticker style, but you can generate any kind of sticker style. So in the example here, so let me go back to that. So this is in the example here, this is a chibi style sticker. So let's generate this kind of sticker. So what you can do, guys, is I'm just gonna copy this one. So the sticker, so the prompt says design an adorable amigurumi, but you can replace this with chibi. Okay, so chibi is one of the most famous uh, style of sticker that you can generate. So design an adorable chibi style sticker featuring a dolphin or featuring a dog. So let's try dog. If we can pull out a a similar sticker like this. Okay, so let me click on send. So this is a really simple prompt, guys. Design adorable chibi style sticker featuring a dog. Okay, now this is gonna take a while, or this is gonna take a minute or two to generate that sticker. Alright, guys, so as you can see, guys, we have successfully generated stickers here with just few clicks of our mouse. So you can simply choose any of the stickers here. Okay, so this is a good example of a sticker, and then you can also use this one here, or this one here, or this one here. Okay, simply choose any of this, and then you can open this a new tab, and then you can view this in a larger format, and then you simply save this into your computer, and then you can like remove the background. You can go to Canva. Okay, if you have a Canva account, you can simply go to Canva, create a new design, or just simply upload that design here. So I'm just gonna upload that here. So this is that here. Now you can click on this, use this in a design, and then you can remove the background of this. You can go to edit photo and then remove the background, so that you can remove the background of that, and then you can remove the unnecessary part of this sticker here, and then you can change the background of this into something like this. Okay, and then you can resize this one. Okay, and if you wanna you know if you want to have a high quality stickers, then you can upscale this one. Okay, now what you can do now is to create a sheet. You can go to, again, you can go to, I'm gonna go to Canva again, right? You can go to custom size, and then you can put in inches, and then use 8.5. You can type in 8.5 by 11 inches. Okay, and then click on create a new design. So this is your sheet here, and then you can just copy this one, and then just paste that design here. Okay, and then you can change this into this color here, or this color here. Yeah, right. You can add in multiple sticker here. You can add in 10 or 20 or 30 sticker, just like this person here. So this is a 20 plus sticker in a single sheet. So this is, you can copy what this person is doing here. So he's listing 20 plus stickers, so you can do the same here. Okay, you can just list or create or align your stickers. So this is the sheet here, sorry about that. So you can align your stickers here. Okay, of course you need to generate more stickers and download all of those stickers here. Now if you do want to customize your sticker design, what you need to do, guys, is you just need to copy the, or use this from here. Let me remove this one. Let me make this bigger. Then you can say something like design an adorable chibi style image of a dog. Okay, image of a dog. Now if you do wanna customize the stickers, you don't want to create stickers directly. You just need to create an image first before converting that into stickers. Okay, and this is how you would do it. Design an adorable chibi style image of a dog. Okay, so let's wait till we get that image. All right, so these are the images here. So what you can do is you would select any of this image. So for example, this one here, simply download this into your computer, and again you can go to Canva. Now you can upload that image here. All right, so this is the image here. Now you can remove the image again. Okay, and then now you can convert this, or you can customize this or convert this into a sticker. You can go to photo, shadows, then glow, change the color into white. The size should be like 60 or 70. Then the intensity should be 100, and then the blur amount should be 0. Okay, so now this is sticker that you can customize, right? You can add in text, here if you want to add a text or a slogan. But again, this person is just you know listing this simple sticker design here, and you can do the same. All you have to do, guys, is to like again, you know create a sheet of 20 or 30 sticker design here, and then all you have to do is to list that in here. Okay, so that's basically the process, guys. Okay, now if you don't want to do this from scratch, I created a product called Kiddie Cutout. Okay, Kiddie Cutouts. It's a collection of, it's a huge collection of done for you stickers with private label rights that you guys can automatically sell and customize. So these are the example of stickers here. So this is a kawaii style sticker, and all of the stickers comes with a slogan like this, and you can again sell this on Etsy, and it's like this person here is making money selling stickers. I actually have a shop inside here, and I'm just starting out, you know creating a listing inside of Etsy, and you can do the same, guys. Okay, I'm giving away like a private label rights to this product. So inside of the product, you'll be getting all of these stickers here. Okay, and you're also going to get access to the private label rights. That means you can rebrand the stickers. You can sell these stickers over and over again. You can customize the stickers, and then you can also resell this whole package, because just like I said, I'm giving away private label rights, which means you are the owner or the creator of this stickers. You can customize the branding here. Like for example, if you want to use this box here, you can change the color of this into something or into any name that you want. So for example, kids, you can change this into kids stickers. If you wanna do that, you can change the color of this box into something different, like this one or this one here. You can do whatever you want with your product. Okay, so that's pretty much it. If you are interested in getting the kitty cutout, there is a link below this video, and you will get access, guys, to a huge collection of done for you stickers that you can automatically sell. Okay, so that's pretty much it. If you have any more questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all your questions. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I have to see you in the next one. Bye. Love you. Bye.